India is driven by aspirations of economic growth and powered by its youthful energy. Behind this phenomenal rise of New India is the contribution of entrepreneurs who are building innovative, sustainable and specialized industries. People with passion and purpose drive the agenda of New India as they create world-class companies by bringing resources, people and technologies together to address transformational opportunities. Ranjitsinh Deshmukh is the life testimony of such visionary leadership. He started his journey by setting up his first spinning mill in the year 2000. And his success has brought in a spectacular change in the district of Satara in Maharashtra. He then went on to build another world-class spinning mill, and both the mills generate revenues exceeding INR 100 crores with almost zero debt. Now, Ranjitsinh Deshmukh is pursuing his dream of building a world-class sugar factory, a greenfield project which would be the pride for the people associated with it. With comprehensive study over the past few years, Ranjitsinh Deshmukh has visited and researched the best practices of some of the most advanced sugar factories in the world, including the likes of Al Khalij sugar plant in Dubai. Now, with his pragmatic approach, Ranjitsinh Deshmukh has planned a state-of-the-art sugar factory, SGL Sugar, at Mand district Satara. Mand, a place near Pune, is benefiting from various irrigation projects, bringing in a total of 30,000 hectares under cultivation of sugarcane, the most important crop in this area. SGL is poised to cater to this opportunity. The most important aspect of SGL Sugar Factory is that it's an integrated sugar factory. It's the first such unit in Maharashtra which produces sugar, power and ethanol simultaneously. SGL boasts of an innovative business model backed by multiple revenue streams and high governance standards to protect the interests of its stakeholders. Equipped with a capacity of 3,500 tons of crushing per day and in a class of its own, SGL will have sugar recovery rate at 12.5%, which would be the best in the state. Its 14.5 megawatt capacity cogen plant will have a tie-up with Power Grid through power purchase agreement and will ensure steady returns. The distillery of SGL Sugar will be providing an output of 45 kiloliters per day. SGL's competence in the process of B-heavy to ethanol will add to the bottom line for sure. SGL is also eligible for the financial assistance from the government through the Sugar Development Fund and thus being recognized for meeting the stringent standards required. The foresight of Ranjitsinh Deshmukh in anticipating the diverse demands of rural India and his ability to respond to them through his strategic thinking, relentless efforts, flawless execution aligns him to the big picture of entrepreneurship on the national canvas.
Quality is critical to us. We set high standards for ourselves and we work hard to maintain and improve our quality standards. We want to be recognized for delivering excellence through our operation and products. We want our suppliers to see us as their preferred, dependable and progressive partner.
The vision of Ranjitsinh Deshmukh is aptly supported by an experienced team and the complete blueprint with milestones is ready. SGL Limited has access to raw materials, technically qualified staff and the latest technologies to become a sustainable and thriving enterprise. SGL is where experience, expertise and excellence come together under the able mentorship of Ranjitsinh Deshmukh. With state-of-the-art technology backed by integrated operations, SGL is connecting the dots. Join us on this exciting journey of transformation and build your legacy. Welcome to SGL Limited.